Stop what you're doing. Axial seamount is about to blow and we've got the scoop. Located 300 kilometers off the coast of Oregon and buried under 1,400 meters of water, Axial seamount is no ordinary volcano. Sitting at the junction of the Juan de Fuca and Pacific tectonic plates, it's been a hotbed of geological activity. It's erupted in 1998, 2011, and 2015, and scientists are predicting another eruption soon. Unlike explosive volcanoes, axial eruptions are more like a balloon slowly inflating and popping. It releases fluid lava, making it one of the most predictable volcanic systems on Earth. Thanks to the regional cabled array, scientists are keeping a close eye on it with over 140 instruments tracking every move. But it's not just about the eruptions. Axial seamount is a natural laboratory for studying life in extreme conditions. Hydrothermal vents here spew superheated water, supporting unique ecosystems that thrive without sunlight. Stay tuned for more updates on this underwater powerhouse.